Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Doog. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, our Ojibwe word, MIINI BAASHKIMINASÍGANI BIITOOSIJIGANI BAKWEZHIGAN, or blueberry pie. All right, let's break this down. MIINI BAASHKIMINASÍGANI BIITOOSIJIGANI BAKWEZHIGAN. So you got MIINI, blueberry. And then we say BAASHKIMINASÍGANI, BAASHKIMINASÍGANI. And this is like blueberry jam or preserves. And then we say BIITOOSIJIGANI, BIITOOSIJIGANI. And this means like layered. See, so far we got MIINI, blueberry, BAASHKIMINASÍGANI, jam, BIITOOSIJIGANI, layered, and then it's on bread, BAKWEZHIGAN, BAKWEZHIGAN, that's bread. All right, one more time. MIINI BAASHKIMINASÍGANI BIITOOSIJIGANI BAKWEZHIGAN. And one more time. MIINI BAASHKIMINASÍGANI BIITOOSIJIGANI BAKWEZHIGAN. Blueberry jam layered bread. And that's our Ojibwe word for today. You have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Giga waba min, minawa, hawa. All right, I think that's good enough. Let's just wrap it up right there.